Pa pa para pa, pa pa para pa, pa pa para pa. Due litri, due litri anche per te. Okay, okay, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
Could
okay,
you pull
okay.
up the post?
I pull up the fuck I want, and when the fuck I want to. I pull the post, Pasquale.
Okay.
The post has been
So,
pulled.
yeah. So, I would like to start by reading first the caption of the post, which is President Trump is achieving a goal that no politician has ever delivered to the American people: make prescription drug prices affordable again. So, first of all, let's clap our hands for our lovely President Donald Trump, which achieved this great
I
goal.
clap my fucking balls for him.
It continues with find your medicine via trumpyx.gov. So, very interesting. The fact that you can go and buy the prescriptions over there, right? I think it's like, oh, it made prescription medicine more affordable throughout the country, right? Let's check. Let's check this. Um, So, as we said, as we've just seen in recent post made by the White House official Instagram, just on Monday, just yesterday actually, fresh news. I was very surprised when I came across this. They announced that they have solved the price problem with prescription drugs in the U.S. A little side note: the problem is in the prescription drug market and system and the medical system in itself. Okay, making them affordable again for the people. Well, they didn't actually, did they?
No, they
Um,
did not.
The claim shared by the White House is mainly linked to a new initiative called Trump RX. Okay, what is Trump RX? It's not even an online pharmacy. It
Sorry.
only directs you to somebody that actually sells it. It's kind of a government-backed website that is promoted by Donald Trump and the administration, designed to help American access discounted prices in limited medication. So um, it's like creating a website where you go and link all the discounts from Gucci, from all sort of brands, and you just post it, and you're like, oh, we made luxury brands affordable. Like no politicians ever did this. Um, with all different sources. It makes no sense. So how it works in simple terms, just that it acts as a process counter referral platform. It just directs you and just the user to participating pharmacies, manufacturer offering direct discounts, and coupon style price reduction. The discounts rely on voluntary agreements with pharmaceutical companies. Voluntary.
Voluntary, yes.
In other words, the government does not regulate the prices, but just help the consumers find kind of a low price option. So to kind of find where it's cheapest and how you can get it for the cheapest available. What it does, it just offers reduced prices for some specific drugs, focusing indeed only on certain categories that very interesting to see, like fertility and some high profile medication, some weight loss medications. All right, very interesting, and it helps uninsured or underinsured patients in particular cases. This is interesting. Maybe I'll go look deeper into the specific. We'll come back to it. Um, what it doesn't, it does not lower prices across the healthcare system. It did
No.
not make it cheaper. It did not make it affordable again. It does not how insurance and companies co-pays and all the kind of system works. It does not regulate or cap the pricing nationally, so the pricing is still completely on the hands of the companies that make them, which is the issue to begin with. um so yeah, pretty much. Yeah, drugs are just so significantly more expensive in the U.S. because there is no regulation on the
Okay.
actual prices. Just like in Europe, kind of most countries do intervene and make set price caps for medication.
Yes, negotiate with the
Um,
companies, let's say. Have a
yeah,
negotiation.
indeed, indeed. Um, which mm,
Don't worry.
So another key factor is that the federal government is limited in its ability to negotiate price, particularly for a large public program like Medicare. In many countries, the state negotiated directly with drug companies on behalf of all the citizen. Um, in the U.S., fragmentation across private insurance employers and intermediaries, which weaken bargaining power. So everybody is kind of negotiating for themselves. All the little groups, all the little hospitals, pretty sure.
The insurance
Uh,
companies, those
yeah.
guys.
So they indeed don't have bargaining power. Whilst like Europe acting as one, that is a huge market, and so they have a huge amount of bargaining power with this big pharma. Um, so another major role is also played by pharmacy benefits manager. So they're middlemen who negotiate discounts between drug manufacturer and insurers. So while they're supposed to kind of lower costs, their pricing system is often opaque, kind of a gray area, and savings do not always reach the patients. In some cases, the system can even incentivize higher list prices.
Nice.
Again, kind of brokers were talking about this before. Is like if there's a lot of middlemen and a capitalist society where everybody needs to make their profit, everybody needs to make their cut. Usually, whoever is at the end of it is is worse off. So finally, high drug prices are justified kind of by companies through research and development cost, of course. But critics point out that Americans often end up subsidizing innovation for the rest of the world, which is actually true because they pay and they fund most of it, where the same drugs are sold at much lower prices due to regulation. So why are we in a situation where politicians consistently and constantly lie and they're not punished? Nobody
You know,
says anything. It's like the White House. I think if you go right now on the Instagram of the White House and we scroll through the, a few posts, we will possibly find a good 70% rate of absolute bullshit.
okay.
But yeah, just
You want me to answer
what
the
do you think?
question? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. 'Cause we don't have that kind of power. Probably they're in a situation where they have that much fucking power that they don't fucking care anymore. it's it's simply that I really don't know.
It's
And
crazy. It's like
who will punish? Okay, who will punish them? Who will? Who will fucking punish Donald Trump? Nobody. So yes,
the International Court of Justice.
yay, yay, yay. Yes, so strong. Good liar, good liar. Nice work. So yes, they will just fucking lie, and I hope this U.S. mandate will end quickly, possibly with the death of somebody. Not saying names. Yes, I hope there will be elections. He's an old dude. I'm not saying violent that age problems. Happily in his bed with his bitch, not a minor this time. And no, 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 I know. Allegedly, of course, I'm not.
I
Allegedly, of course, we are just speculating. I don't fucking know. It's this is the example. This is the opposite example of the making politicians more human. This is the negative part of
yeah.
it. They are losing credibility, and this is the credibility I talk about in this case. Okay, if you're fucking president, just tweet this bullshit, the literal lie, because
Yeah, but
this is a very short text, by the way. In a very big text, you can hide something a lot better. Okay, you can hide it better, but this is like three rows. It's all bullshit in
yeah,
three
yeah. They
rows.
didn't
It's
even try.
it's okay. I'm
Yeah,
sorry
but it's
for the
but
citizens
it's
of
more
the
like,
USA.
oh yeah, we made the medicine affordable. Click the link in this bio to go find your
Yeah, it's like fucking
discounted
bitches with
prescription.
OnlyFans. My God, it's like
Yeah, it's like
fucking
click the link in bio
description.
and put D Daddy Donald code for your 20% discount. Uh, and he probably gets some money off of it. There's no way it's just
Oh
like, oh
yes,
yeah,
for
he's
sure.
voluntarily offering
It's
discounts.
no. Also, yeah, of course, we did not talk about it because we just We
Amazing.
allegedly, of course, we just winked a little bit when you said voluntarily offered discounts, but that word means nothing because there are probably some agreement made with this company for doing this. Okay, and yes, it's we will see in the future what happens, what turns out, because yeah, for sure, big pharma companies did not do this for nothing.
No.
So yeah, okay, that's it. So, yeah, the solution to give something positive, to give some positive influence is should be like in the rest of the world, the U.S. fucking government putting a cap on the price of medicines. Okay, it's very simple. They should start getting involved. They should start negotiating for their fucking people. Very simple. But probably even there are different interests. You know, who the fuck knows? Allegedly, there are interests that the big pharma says, "Oh, don't put a word on my work, and we will give you XXX." I don't know what, but that's the point because there is no clear reason why a government as strong as the U.S. is not putting its power on trying to put a cap on the price and do the best thing for the citizen. The only reason is that because they earn something back. Very simple. It's like everything. It's economy.
Well, they
It's
obviously
it's a trade.
lobby. They probably lobby most politics, most
Yes, it's
politicians. So to push them not to go in that direction.
yes, of course. So what's the point?
Okay.
Okay, drinking,
So yeah,
drinking.
this was all. Yeah, sorry. This was all with our lovely Trump.
Yes, this was about the post. We did a little dupe for the poor Americans that can buy a fucking M15 but cannot buy a fucking inhaler. Probably the M15 costs less than the fucking inhaler.
They definitely can get their hands on Ritalin and other shit
Yes,
though.
it's
You go to an intake, and then they're like, yeah, yeah, you have ADHD. Take these amphetamines.
yeah, that's another big problem. That's another. Oh fuck it. Okay, now